गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ अविघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं धीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिं लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जह्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत् विना वेङ्कटेशं ननाथो ननाथः सदा वेङ्कटेशं स्मरामि स्मरामि हरे वेङ्कटेश प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रियं वेङ्कटेश प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ असाध्य साधक स्वामिन् असाध्यं तव किं वद रामदूत दया सिन्धो मत्कार्यं साधय प्रभो वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् राम 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 Swagatam. Welcome to all of you for the 20, I guess today is the 28th class of chanting, learning to chant Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. My sincere salutations, pranamaha, for all the elderly scholars who are with us in this journey of learning Vishnu Sahasranamam. Also, thank you for all of you for joining today for today's class. I know today in many of the houses, Krishna Jayanti is being celebrated. So many while chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, Krishna is being born in many of our houses, especially in Sri Vaishnava's houses. Today is Krishna Jayanti. In spite of that, there are a lot of people who have joined. Dhanyavadaha for all of you. Let's continue with the chanting. In today's class, just a reminder, in the last class what we did was we started chanting the shloka in the full line. Vishwam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu, like chanting the full line. That's what we started we practiced in last class. So today also we'll do similarly. But since we have not practiced from last, I guess, 1 or 2 classes, we will practice the shloka from 71 to 108. That is the practice that we will do. So you can start raising your hands. Whoever raises the hands, we'll start practicing. So this week we'll do the practice, and next week we will start with the Phalashruti shlokas. That's what is planned for today. With that, we will go to the Dhyana shlokas quickly and then go to the 71st shloka. Om शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् ध्यानम् क्षीरोदन्वत्प्रदेशेषु च मणिविलसत्सैकते मौक्तिकानां मालाक्लृप्तासनस्थस्फटिकमणिनिभैर्मौक्तिकैर्मण्डिताङ्गः शुभ्रैरभ्रैरदभ्रैरुपरि विरचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः आनन्दीनः पुनीयादरिनलिनगदा शङ्खपाणिर्मुकुन्दः भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर्वियदसुरनिलश्चन्द्रसूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावाशाः शिरोद्यौर्मुखमभिदहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः अन्तस्थं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगो भोगि गन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यते तन्त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् मेघश्यामं पीतकौशेयवासं श्रीवत्साङ्कं कौस्तुभोद्भासिताङ्गं पुण्योपेतं पुण्डरीकायताक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथम् नमः समस्तभूतानाम् आदिभूताय भूभृते अनेकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे सशङ्खचक्रं सकिरीटकुण्डलं सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुहेक्षणं सहारवक्षस्थलशोभिकौस्तुभं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजम् छायायां पारिजातस्य हेमसिंहासनोपरि आसीनमम्बुदश्यामम् आयताक्षमलङ्कृतम् चन्द्राननं चतुर्बाहुं श्रीवत्साङ्कितवक्षसं रुक्मिणी सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये. We'll quickly move to the 71st shloka. So what I am assuming is all of you would have downloaded the version of the shloka to chant the full line yesterday. Sorry, as I shown in the last class. So I'm assuming that all of you are have that copy. So when you are chanting, you can refer to that. However, here I will show the way how we learned, because that will help you to, that could help you to see the Mahaprana and Alpaprana, Mahaprana and other highlighted ones. But however, when you're chanting, you can chant the full line. That's what we can do. So with that, you can start raising your hands. I will look at the people, no order, but I will just look at who have raised the hand, and then I will start calling out your name. I also have, yes, this is also here. We can refer to. Okay. Krishna Narayan.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Brahmanyo Brahmagat Brahma.
ब्रह्मण्यो ब्रह्मकृद् ब्रह्मा ब्रह्म ब्रह्म विवर्धनः ब्रह्मविद् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मी ब्रह्मज्ञो ब्राह्मणप्रियः.
Very good. Please continue. Mahakramo.
महाक्रमो महाकर्म महातेजा महोरगः महाक्रतुर्महायज्वा महायज्ञो महाहविः.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Nothing to note at all. Very good. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha. Subha Krishnan. Yeah, please go ahead.
Tavyastava Tavyastava priyastotram stutistotarana priyaha purnah purayita punyaha punyakirtiranamayah.
Uttamam. Which is good. This is how the way we learned it. So when we are joining the full line, in the second line, Purnah Purayita Punyah Punyakirtiranamayaha. That's how we chant. Can you try the second line once again? The only difference is the Visarga and Pa we are joining. That's all. Yes.
Purnah Purayita Punyah Punyakirtiranamayah.
Uttamam. Very good. You can chant the next one also.
Manojavastirthakaraha.
If you can, yes, you can refer to that. If you have the downloaded text, you can have, or you can see here also. I'm not sure you were following the Sanskrit or the English or any other language. Excellent. Okay, so then you can read here.
Manojavastirthakaro vasureta vasupradaha vasuprado vasudevo वसुर्वसुमना हविः।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू, धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः।
रुद्रेश, रुद्रेश सद्गतिः. Maybe I will show this only. This could help people who are following the Sanskrit script. People who are following English or any other language, you can follow
I'm
your script.
following Sanskrit.
Sure. Sadgatihi.
Sadgatis, Satkritis, Satta, Sadbhutis, Satparayanaha, Shuraseno Yadushreshtha, Sannivasa, Suyamunaha.
Shuraseno yadushresthah sannivasah suyamunah.
Shuraseno Yadushreshtha, Sannivasa, Suyamunaha.
Yeah. So the one thing to note there is after the visarga, yadushreshtah sa is there. Therefore, it has to be Shuraseno yadushresthah sannivasah suyamunah. Again, visarga followed by sakara. Additional sakara comes there. Can you try once again? Only the second line.
Shuraseno Yadushreshtha, Sannivasa, Suyamunaha.
Okay. Practice to tell the full line together, then you will get it. Practice wise, you will get it. Dhanyavadah.
Okay, sir.
Uma
धन्यवाद.
Uma ke
अस्तु जी, नमस्ते.
Bhutavaso
भूतावासो वासुदेवः सर्वासु निलयो नलः दर्पः दर्पदो दृप्तो दुर्धरातो.
I didn't hear the last word. Bhagini, you're there? I can't hear. Maybe network issue. I will come back to you later again. Mahalakshmi Balaji. Same shloka. Bhutavaso.
नमस्ते महोदय।
Namaste. Bhutavaso.
भूतावासो वासुदेवः सर्वासु निलयो नलः दर्पः दर्पदो दृप्तो दुर्धरो धापराजितः।
Okay, so small input there. In the first line, Bhuta Vaso Vasudeva Sarva Sunilayo Nalaha, you can start practicing the full line. And since here Visarga is followed by Sakara, Vasudeva Sarva Sunilayo Nalaha, that's how we'll tell. In the second line, if since we are not splitting here, Darpaha, Darpado, Drupto, Durdarotha, Parajitaha, there should be no gap in between. We can't say darpaha darpado drupto durdharotha parajitaha. We should not be ideally chanting like that. If you want to split like that, darpaha darpado druptaha durdharotha parajitaha. Otherwise, darpaha darpado drupto durdharotha parajitaha. We can combinedly chant that way.
Shall I
It will
repeat,
come by
sir?
practice. Yes, please repeat Bhuta Shloka once again.
भूतावासो वासुदेवः सर्वासो निलयो नलः दर्पः दर्पदो दृप्तो दुर्धरो धापराजितः.
Uttamam. That's Uttamam. That's all. Keep practicing like that. You will get definitely. Uttamam.
धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadah. Suvarna Sudagoni.
नमस्कारं सर.
Namaskaram. Vishwamurtir Mahamurtihi.
विश्वमूर्तिर्महामूर्तिर्दीप्तमूर्तिरमूर्तिमान् अनेकमूर्तिरव्यक्तः शतमूर्तिः शताननः
Eko Naikaha.
एको नैकः स वः किं यत्तत्पदमनुत्तमम् लोकबन्धुर्लोकनाथो माधवो भक्तवत्सलः.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Atyuttamam. Dhanyavadah. Deepa Lakshmi Hariharan.
Ram
Suvarnavarno.
Ram Ram.
Ram. Suvarnavarno.
सुवर्णवर्णो हेमांगो वरांगश्चंदनागदी वीरः विषमशून्यो घृताशीरचलश्चलः.
Uttamam. In the first line, Varangaschandanangadi. Again, nga is there. It is nga, not ga. Can you repeat once again? Suvarnavarno.
सुवर्णवर्णो हेमांगो वरांगश्चंदनागदी वीरः विषमशून्यो घृताशीरचलश्चलः.
Uttamam. Next sloka, continue.
अमाने मानदो मान्यो लोकस्वामि त्रिलोकधृक् सुमेधा मेधजो धन्यः सस्य मेधाधराधरः.
Uttamam. So again I repeat. So when we are saying, when we are chanting the full line sloka, don't give gap in between. Amani manado manyo lokaswami trilokadrik. I could hear small gap there, but otherwise it was perfectly okay. Dhanyavadaha. Deepa Lakshmi, I guess you. Deepa Lakshmi. Deepa Lakshmi, yourself. You just chanted now. Okay, I got confused. Okay, thank you. Dhanyavadaha. You can lower your hands. People after chanting, you can lower your hands. That will be helpful. Then Narasimha P. Tejo Vrusho.
तेजो रुषो द्युतिधरः सर्वशस्त्रभृतां वरः प्रग्रहो निग्रहो व्यग्रो नैकशृङ्गो गदाग्रजः.
Uttamam. Only one small input in the first line. Dyutidharas sarvashastrabhrutam varah. Tejo vrusho dyutidharas sarvashastrabhrutam varah. Visarga followed by sakara. That's all. Can you try once again?
तेजो रुषो द्युतिधरः सर्वशस्त्रभृतां वरः प्रग्रहो निग्रहो व्यग्रो नैकशृङ्गो गदाग्रजः.
Uttamam. The one another small input in the first time when you said it was perfect. Bhritam varaha sarvashastra bhritam varaha. Otherwise it was perfectly okay. Thank you. Keep that in mind when we chant next time. Dhanyavadaha. Radha Ram Mohan.
Namaste, sir. Radha Ram Mohan.
Namaste. Chaturmurti. Namaste. Chaturmurti.
Chaturmurtish Chaturvyuha Chaturgadihi Chaturatma Chaturbhavash Chaturveda Videkapat.
Uttamam. Continue. Samavarto
Nibratma Durjayo Duratikramaha Durlabho Durgamo Durgo Duravaso Durariha.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Chitra Tyagarajan.
Namaste Mohodaya.
Namaste. Shubhango.
Shubhango Lokasaranga Standuvardhanah Indra Karma Mahakarma Krita Karma Krita Gamah.
Can you repeat the same shloka? Shubhango.
Shubhango Lokasaranga Standuvardhanah
Indra Karma Sutantustantuvardhanah. First is Su.
Sutantustantuvardhanah. Is that right?
Exactly.
Sutantustantuvardhanah. Shubhango Lokasaranga Stutantustantuvardhanah Indra Karma Mahakarma Krita Karma Krita Gamah.
First line when you're joining and saying Shubhango Lokasaranga, T is coming. Shubhango Lokasaranga Stutantu is coming.
Okay.
It is only sakara should come. No takara there.
Okay.
Shubhango Lokasaranga
Stantuvardhanah Indra Karma Mahakarma Krita Karma Krita Gamah. Shall I chant the next one also?
Please go ahead.
Udbhava Sundara Sundo Ratna Nabha Sulochanah Arko Vajasana Shringi Jayanta Sarva Vijjayi.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Ghanashyam, Ghanashyam, Suvarnabindu Rakshobhyah.
नमस्कार महोदय.
Namaste. Suvarnabindu Rakshobhyah.
स्वर्ण बिंदु रक्षोभ्य सर्व वागीश्वरेश्वरः महारुदो महागर्तो महाभूतो महानिधिः.
Uttamam. Please continue. Kumudah.
कुमुद कुंदर कुंद पर्जन्य पावनो नीलः अमृतांशो मृतवपुः सर्वज्ञ सर्वतोमुखः.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Different people have different styles of saying, which is perfectly okay. Definitely yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Dhanyavadah.
Thank you. धन्यवाद सर.
Okay, after chanting, if you've got chance, please lower your hands so that it will help me to look for other people. Ambal, yes. Sulabha. Ambal, you're self-muted. Sulabha Suvrata Siddha.
नमस्ते महोदय.
Namaste. Sulabha Suvrata.
सुलभः सुव्रतः सिद्धः शत्रुजित् शत्रुतापनः न्यग्रोधो धुम्बरो श्वत्तश्चाणुरान्द्रनिषूदनः.
Uttamam. You looked at all the Mahapranas. Only in one place you missed, I guess. Shatrujit Shatrutapanaha. Cha is Mahaprana. Can you see chant once again?
सुलभः सुव्रतः सिद्धः शत्रुजित् शत्रुतापनः न्यग्रोधो धुम्बरो श्वत्तश्चाणुरान्ध्रनिषूदनः.
Here in the second line, Negrodho Dumbaro. The second the is not Mahaprana. Negrodho Dumbaro Shvatha. Only the second line.
न्यग्रोधो धुम्बरो श्वत्थश्चाणुरान्ध्रनिषूदनः.
Please continue with this next sloka. Sahasrachi.
सहस्राक्षिः सप्तजिह्वा सप्तैधा सप्तवाहनः अमूर्तिरणघोचिन्त्यो भयकृद्भयनाशनः.
Bhayakrit Bhayanashanah.
भयकृद्भयनाशनः.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादः.
Uma K, I guess you are back now. Same Sahasrachi once again.
अस्तु जी. सहस्रार्ची सप्तजिह्वक् सप्तैधा सप्तवाहनः अमूर्तिरनघोचिन्त्यो भयकृत् भयनाशनः.
Please continue. Anubruhat Krishah.
अणुर्बृहत्कृशस्थूलो गुणभृत् निर्गुणो महान् अधृतस्वधृतस्वास्य प्राग्वंशो वंशवर्धनः.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादाः जी.
Brinda Sekar. Bharabhrit. Brinda Sekar.
Namaskar.
Namaskaram.
Bharabhrit Katito Yogi Yogish Sarvakamadah Ashramashamadakshamah Ashramaschamanah Chama Suparno Vayuvahanah.
Uttamam. So now you corrected. So 1 minute, I'll come there. So just a reminder for most of you. So whenever Visarga is followed by Ksha, we have to stop there. Ashramaha, Ashramashramanaha, Kshamas Suparno Vayuvahanaha, which you told perfectly right. Dhanyavadaha. So also, please continue with the next sloka. Dhanurdharo.
Dhanurdharo Dhanurvedo Dando Damayita Damah Aparajita Sarvasaho Niyanta Niyo. Niyanta Niyamo Yamaha.
Uttamam. So again, I repeat, since we have practiced for long, or splitting into the full line into half, we still get that. When we join the full shloka, Aparajita Sarvasaho Niyanta Niyamo Yamaha. So we will try to practice to tell that in one breath. We will slowly practice. We will reach there. If it is very difficult, we can also say aparajita sarvasah niyanta niyamo yamah. We can do that, but try practicing aparajita sarvasaho niyanta niyamo yamah. That will be good. You will gradually get there. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyawad.
Brinsin. I still call this name as Brinsin. Please go ahead. Sattvavan Satvikah.
सत्त्ववान् सात्विकः सत्यधर्मपरायणः अभिप्रायः प्रियार्होर्हः प्रियकृत्प्रीतिवर्धनः.
Uttamam. Please continue. Next sloka.
विहाय सकदिर्ज्योतिः सुरुचिर्हुदभुक् विभुः रविर्विरोचनः सूर्यः सविता रविलोचनः.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Next. Chanchal Vadva. Again, you can start Vihaya Sagatir Jyotihi. Chanchal Vadva, self-muted. Chanchal Vadva, you are self-muted. I can't hear you.
विहाय सगतिर ज्योतिर सुरुचिर्हुतभुग विभु रविर्रोचन सूर्य सविता रविलोचन.
Uttamam, please continue. Ananto.
अनंतो हुतभुग भोगता सुखदो नैकोजो अग्रज अनिर्विण सदामर्षि लोकाधिष्ठान मद्भुता.
Uttamam, Adbhutah. So when it is ending, please ensure you say we chant the Visarga completely. Otherwise, it was perfectly okay.
Ram
Thank you.
Ram
Dhanyavadah.
Ram Ram.
Ganapati Swami. Sanatanatamah.
सनातनतमः कपिरव्ययः स्वस्तिदस्वस्तिकृत् स्वस्ति भुक् स्वस्ति दक्षिणः.
Uttamam. Please chant this same sloka again.
Okay. सनातनतमः कपिरव्ययः स्वस्तिदस्वस्तिकृत् स्वस्ति भुक् स्वस्ति दक्षिणः.
Uttamam. The only small input is, since Visarga is followed by Kakara in both the places in the first line, Sanatanatamah Kapiravyayah. You actually said the Visarga correctly. So since it is followed by Ka, additional Kakara comes there. Sanatanatamah Kapiravyayah. That's how it is chanted. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah.
Hiral Bhatt.
आम् महोदय.
Araudraha.
औरुद्रः कुण्डली चक्री विक्रमयूर्जित शासनः.
स्वस्ति भुक् स्वस्ति दक्षिणः.
Mahodaya, I guess you are not muted yourself.
औरुद्रः कुण्डली चक्री विक्रमयूर्जित शासनः. शब्दादिशब्द
Shabdatiga Shabdasah Shishirasharvarikaraha.
Should I continue?
Please continue with the same. Yeah, I could hear.
Sharvarikaraha.
Maybe you can go a little slow. I'm not sure.
Okay.
The network issue.
Arudra Kundali Chakri. Okay. Arudra Kundali Chakri Vikram Yurjita Shashanaha Shabdatika Shabdasaha Shishira Sharvarikaraha Akrura Peshalo Daksho Dakshina Akshanima Varaha Vittamo Vittabhaya Punya Shravana Kirtanaha.
Uttamam. In the first line, it is Dakshina
Kshamina Varaha.
There is Anuswara there. Kshamina Varaha. Can you chant the sloka again? Akrura Peshalo.
Yeah. Akrura Peshalo Daksho Dakshina Kshamina Varaha Vittamo Vittabhaya Punya Shravana Kirtanaha.
In the second line, it is Vidvattamo Vitabhayaha. In Vidva, the and Va, there are two letters, and again the and ta, there are two takaras. Vidvattamo Vitabha. In the second word, there is no samyukta akshara there. Vitabhayah. That's all. Can you chant once again? Only the second line.
Okay. Okay. Vittamo viddabhaya
Vitabhayah.
punya shravana kirtanah.
Practice that. You will get that again. Thank you.
Vitabhayah punya
Yes.
shravana kirtanah.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Aditya 0416. Akrurah Peshulo once again. Namaskara. Akrurah Peshulo once again.
Shalo dakshah dakshinaha kshamanambarah vidvattamo vitabhayah punyashravana kirtanah.
Excellent. Similarly, you can you chant the first line also, joining Akrurah Peshalo Daksho Dakshina Kshaminam Varah Dakshinah Kshaminam Varah.
Yes, sir. Akrurah preshalo dakshah dakshinah kshamanambarah
Kshaminam Varah Kshaminam Varah.
kshaminambarah.
Vidvattamo
Akrurah preshalo dakshinah kshamanambarah vidvattamo vitabhayah punyashravana kirtanah.
Sure. Little more practice will become much more better. Thank you. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah, sir.
Okay, names are moving. Okay, Sudha ke Uttarano. Uttarano Dushkritiha.
उत्तारणो दुष्कृतिः पुण्यो दुःस्वप्ननाशनः वीरः रक्षणः सन्तो जीवनः पर्यवस्थितः.
Please continue. Anantarupo Nantashri.
अनन्तरूपो अनन्तश्रीर्जितमन्युर्भयापहः चतुरश्रो गभीरात्मा विदिशो व्यादिशो दिशः.
Vidisho Vya. It is not Vidisho. Vidisho Vyadisho Dishaha.
विदिशो व्यादिशो दिशः.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Which class are you in?
Second.
Second standard. Very good. Dhanyavadah. Next. CH Suresha. CH Suresha. Anadi Bhurbhuvo.
राम राम राम
Ram Ram Ram.
अनादि भूर्भुवो लक्ष्मी सुवीरो रुचिरांगदः जननो जनजन्मादिर्भीमो भीम पराक्रमः.
Uttamam. Only in the first line, all the rakaras should be told very clearly. Anadir bhur bhuvo. Anadir is also there. Anadir bhur bhuvo Lakshmi suviro ruchirangadaha. Can you chant once again?
अनादिर् भूर्भुवो लक्ष्मी सुवीरो रुचिरांगदः जननो जनजन्मादिर्भीमो भीम पराक्रमः.
Please continue. Adhara.
आधार निलयो धाता पुष्पहासः प्रजागरः ऊर्ध्वगः सत्पथाचारः प्राणदः प्रणवपणः.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवाद.
Lakshmi Ravi Kumar. Pramanam.
राम राम राम.
Ram Ram Ram. Pramanam Prananilayah.
प्रमाणं प्राणनिलयः प्राणभृत् प्राणजीवनः तत्त्वं तत्त्वविदेकात्मा जन्म मृत्युजरादिकः.
Please continue. Bhurbhuvah.
भूर्भुवः स्वस्तरुस्तारः सविता प्रपितामहः यज्ञो यज्ञपतिर्यज्वा यज्ञाङ्गो यज्ञवाहनः.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah.
Thank you.
Mahesh Kumar VK. Yajnabhrit. Yajnabhrit Yajnakrit. Mahesh, we are not able to hear you. Yajnabhrit Yajnakrit Yajni. We still can't hear you. I'm not sure. We'll come back to you a little later. Hold on there. Mohana Valambe, Yajnabhrit.
Namaskara Mahoday.
Namaskara, namaskara.
Yajnabhrit Yajnakrit Yajni Yajnabhug Yajna Sadhanah Yajnantakrit Yajnaguhyam Annam Annada Evacha.
Can you join the full line? Yajnantakrit Yajnaguhyam Annam Annada Evacha. Can you try?
Shamyata Mahodam, I'll try. Yajnantakrit Yajnaguhyam Annam Annada Evacha.
So here, this is a little tricky line. Yajnaguh, hakara should come there. Yajnantakrit Yajnaguhyam Annam Annada Evacha. Slowly, you will get that.
Okay. Yajnantakrit Yajnaguhyam Annam Annada Evacha.
When you're joining, what happens is guhyamanna mannada eva. We don't say anna mannada, which is while if we split, we'll say that.
Okay, okay.
Yajnantakrit yajna guhyamanna mannada eva cha.
One more time, Mahoday. Shamyatam. Yajna Guhyam Annada Yajna Guhyam Annada Evacha. I'll practice, Mahoday.
Try the now chant the same shloka once again. Yajnabhrit Yajnakrit
Okay. Yajnabhrit Yajnakrit Yajni Yajnabhug Yajna Sadhanah Yajnantakrit Yajnaguhyam Annadam Guhyam Annam Annada Evacha.
No tension. I mean, when we kind of keep practicing it, it'll come definitely. No worries, not to worry at all. Next week you'll get chance once again. Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada, Mahoday.
Dhanyawada. P. Venkatraman.
Guhyam Anna Guhyam Anna.
You have to go on mute. Mohana Valambe Mami, you have to go on mute.
Namaste Mahoday.
Namaste.
Namaste Mahoday.
Atma Yonihi.
Atma Yoni Swayanjato Vaikhana Samagayanah Devaki Randanasrasta Chiti Sapapanasanah.
Please continue. Shankha Brindandaki.
Shankha Brindandaki Chakri Sharanga Dhanva Gadadharah Rathanga Padi Rakshobhya Sarva Praharanayudhah Sri Sarva Praharanayudhavo Namayiti.
Dhanyawada. Dhanyawada. Atyuttamam. Padma Narayan.
वनमाली गदीशांगी शंगीं चक्रीं चनन्तकी श्रीमान् नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु श्रीवासुदेवो अभिरक्षतु ओम नम इति.
There are at least two Mahapranas. We'll come to 3 times. 2 Mahapranas. Shankhi, Vanamali, Gadisharngi, Shankhi, Chakri, Chanamdaki. Similarly, in the second line, Vishnur Vasudevo Bhirakshatu. Bha is Mahaprana. Please note that. Chant once again.
वनमाली गदीशांगी शंखी चक्री चनन्तकी वनमाली गदीशार्ंगी शंखी चक्री चनन्तकी श्रीमान् नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवो अभिरक्षतु श्रीवासुदेवो अभिरक्षतु ओम नम इति.
You can split and say Abhirakshatu, but when we are joining, we can also say Vishnur Vasudevo Bhirakshatu. That's also okay. Once again, Vanamali.
वनमाली गदीशार्ंगी शंखी चक्री चनन्तकी श्रीमान् नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवो अभिरक्षतु श्रीवासुदेवो अभिरक्षतु ओम नम इति.
धन्यवादः. We will go back to 71 shloka, 71st shloka.
Same thing last time. I didn't get to see anything new.
Maybe you can mute yourself. Okay, we are here. Okay, after you get a chance, please lower your hand so that I go to the next person. Dhanyavadah. Parvati Narayan, Brahmanyo.
नमस्ते ब्रह्मण्यो ब्रह्मकृत् ब्रह्मा ब्रह्म ब्रह्म विवर्धन विवर्धनः ब्रह्मविद् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मी ब्रह्मज्ञो ब्राह्मणप्रियः
Tamam. Continue. Mahakramo
महाकर्म महातेजा महोरगः महाक्रतुर्महायज्वा महायज्ञो महाहविः
धन्यवादः उत्तमम् उत्तमं धन्यवादः फनिश्री महाक्रमो
महाक्रमो महाकर्म महातेजा महोरगः महाक्रतुर्महायज्वा महायज्ञो महाहविः
Please continue. स्तव्यः
स्तव्यस्तव प्रियस्तोत्रं स्तुतिस्तोतारणप्रियः पूर्णपूरयिता पुण्यः पुण्यकीर्तिरनामयः
उत्तमम् उत्तमं धन्यवादः महेश कुमार मनोजवस्तीर्थकरो Mahesh Kumar, we are not able to hear you. I guess you're self-muted. We'll come back to you. Looks like some problem. Rav US. Namaskar. Manojavastirthakaro.
मनोजवस्तीर्थकरो वसुरेता वसुप्रदः वसुप्रदो वासुदेवो वसुर्वः समना हविः तद्गति सत्पति सत्ता सत्तोति सत्परायणः सुरसेनो यदुश्रेष्ठः सन्निवासस्यामनः
उत्तमं धन्यवादः धन्यवादः रत्नश्री जी भूतावासो
राम राम
राम राम राम
भूतावासो वासुदेवः सर्वासु निलयो नलः दर्पः दर्पदो दृप्तो दुर्धरोऽथा पराजितः विश्वमूर्तिर्महामूर्तिर्दीप्तमूर्तिरमूर्तिमान् अनेकमूर्तिरव्यक्तः शतमूर्तिः शताननः
उत्तमं धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः
रेणुका श्रीनिवास एकोनैकः
राम राम महोदय
राम 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 एकोनैकः
सव किं यत तत्पदनुत्तमं लोकबन्धुर्लोकनाथो माधवो भक्तवत्सलः
very good uttamam in the first line it is एकोनैकः सवः कः किं यत्तत् पदमनुत्तमं यत् तत् पदमनुत्तमं that's how it is यत्तत् पदमनुत्तमं can you chant once again
एकोनैकः सवः कः किं यत् तत् पदमनुत्तमं लोकबन्धु लोकनाथो माधवो भक्तवत्सलः
please continue suvarnavarno
हेमांगो वरांगश्चंदनंदकी नांगदी वीरहा विषम
चंदनांगदी
वरांगश्चंदनांगदी
वीरः
वीरः विषमः शून्यो घृता क्षीरश्चलश्चलः
उत्तमं. Please practice more. That will be good. धन्यवादः. रेवती बीजी. सुवर्णवर्णो once again. रेवती बीजी. You are self muted. हाँ.
वर्णवर्णो हेमाङ्गो वराङ्गश्चन्दनाङ्गदिः वीरः विषमशून्यो धृताश्चिरतरश्चलः अमानीमानदो
Wait. One second. In the first line, Varangaschandanangadi. There is no visarga there. Suvarnavarno hemango Varangaschandanangadi. That is one. Second, in the second line, it is Viraha Vishamashunyo Ghrita. It is Ghr, not Dhr. Ghrita Shira Chalas Chalaha. Can you chant once again?
सुवर्णवर्णो हेमाङ्गो वराङ्गश्चन्दनाङ्गदी वीरः विषमशून्यो धृताशिरचलश्चल
Again, it is not Dhr. It is not Dhrita. Ghrita. Ka ka ga gha.
कृता
Gha ka ka ga gha. Correct. Can you tell only the second line? Viraha Vishamashunyo.
कृताशिरचलश्चलः
Uttamam. Practice that. That should be okay. You go to the next sloka also. Amani.
अमानीमानदो मान्यो लोकस्वामी त्रिलोकधृत् सुमेधा मेधजो धन्य सत्यमेधाधराधरः
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Rudresha, I thought Rudresha, you got a chance. If you have not, please, you can tell the next sloka. Tejo Vrusho. Rudresha, did I call out your name?
ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ. ತೇಜೋ ವೃಷೋ
ತೇಜೋ ಋಷೋ ದ್ಯುತಿಧರ ಸರ್ವಶಸ್ತ್ರಭೃತಾಂಬರಃ ಪ್ರಗ್ರಹೋ ನಿಗ್ರಹೋ ವ್ಯಗ್ರೋ ನೈಕ ಶೃಂಗೋ ಗದಾಗ್ರಜಃ
ಚತುರ್ಮೂರ್ತಿ
ಚತುರ್ಮೂರ್ತಿಶ್ಚತುರ್ಬಾಹು ಚತುರ್ವ್ಯೂಹಶ್ಚತುರ್ಗತಿಃ ಚತುರಾತ್ಮಾ ಚತುರ್ಭಾವಶ್ಚತುರ್ವೇದ ವಿದೇಕಪಾತ್.
ಉತ್ತಮ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದः. सचिन 20 समावर्तो
निवृत्तात्मा दुर्जयो दुरतिक्रमः दुर्लभो दुर्गमो दुर्गो दुरावासो दुरारिः.
Please continue.
शुभांगो लोकसारंगः सुतन्तुस्तन्तुवर्धनः इन्द्रकर्मा महाकर्मा कृतकर्मा कृतागमः.
In the first line, Shubhango Lokasarangas Sutantustantuvardanah.
शुभांगो लोकसारंगः सुतन्तुस्तन्तुवर्धनः इन्द्रकर्मा महाकर्मा कृतकर्मा कृतागमः.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादः. सुनीता उद्भवः self muted. उद्भवः सुन्दरः सुन्दो
उद्भवः सुन्दरः सुन्दो रत्ननाभः सुलोचनः अर्को वाजनः शृङ्गी जयन्तः सर्वविजयी.
अर्को वाजसनः शृङ्गी
अर्को वाजनः शृङ्गी जयन्तः
वाजसनः शृङ्गी वाजसनः.
अर्को वाजसनः शृङ्गी जयन्तः सर्वविजयी.
कंटिन्यू.
सुवर्णबिन्दुरक्षोभ्यः सर्ववागीश्वरेश्वरः महाह्रदो महागर्तो महाभूतो महानिधिः.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादः. रेवती बीजी, I thought I called you. Sachin, I thought I called you. Satyabhama. Kumudah Kundarah.
Namaskaram, Magodaya.
Namaskara. Kumudah Kundarah Kundah.
Kumudah Kundarah Kundah Pad. Sorry. Kumudah Kundarah Kundah Parjanyah Pavano Nilah. Amritamsho Mridavabush Sarvajik Sarvato Mukah.
Sarvajna Sarvato Mukah.
Amritamsho Mridavabush Sarvajna Sarvato Mukah.
Please continue. Sulabha.
सुलभसुब्रदसिद्धश्चत्रुजिश्चत्रुदापनः न्यक्रोधो धुम्बरोषात्पशानुरान्त्रनिषूदनः.
You might have to clearly see the all the letters. Sulabhasuvrata siddhashatrujichatrutāpanah. That is first line. Second line. Negrodho dumbaroshvathaschanurandrah nishudanah. So maybe you can tell a little slowly so that you can pronounce all the letters clearly. Try once again. Sulabha.
Sulabhasuvradaschittaschatrujichatrutāpanah न्यक्रोधो तुम्बरोश्वत्तश्चानुरान्ध्रनिषूदनः.
That's all. Slowly, if you tell, it will be perfect. Dhanyavadah. Simi Vaidya Sahasrachi.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. Sahasrachi
Sahasrachihi Saptajivya Saptedha Saptavahanah Amurtirang Gochintyo Bhayakudyanashanah
Bhayakrit Bhayanashanah.
Bhayakrit Bhayanashanah.
Correct. Uttamam. Similarly, the first line Sahasrachi Saptajihvah Saptaidha Saptavahanah. Can you chant the full shloka once again?
Sahastarchi Saptajivya Saptedha Saptavahanah Amurtiran Gochintyo Bhayakridnashanah.
Bhayakrid Bhayanashanah.
Bhayakridbhayanashanah.
Uttamam. Please practice more. That will be good. Dhanyavadah. Surya Anabrihat Krishah. Surya, you are self-muted.
Hello, namaste.
Namaste,
sir.
Anabrihat Krishah.
Able to hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Anadbruhat kushahastulo gunabhrunirguno mahan adrutas swadrutas swasya pragvamsho vamshavardhanah bharabhrukhatito yogi yogishah sarvakamadah ashramashramah Suparno Vayuvahanah Dhanurdharo Dhanurved.
Hold on. Ashramashramanah.
Ashramashramanah. Ashramashramanah Kshamah Suparno Vayuvahanah.
Since Visarga is followed
Is
by
it
Ksha,
correct?
we'll stop there. It is correct. Ashramashramanah Kshamas Suparno Vayuvahanah.
Suparno Vayuvahanah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood. Dhanyavadas, sir.
VN Meena Dhanurdharo.
Yeah. Namaskaram. Can you hear?
Namaskaram. Yes, I can hear you. Dhanurdharo.
Dhanurdharo Dhanuvedo Dando Damayita Damaha Aparajita Sarvasaho Niyanta Niyamo Yamaha.
Tamam. Please continue. Sattvavan.
Sattvavan Sattvikas Satya Satya Dharma Parayanah Abhipraya Priyarhorha Priyakrit Priti Vardhanah.
Uttamam. Atyuttamam. Dhanyavadah.
Thank you.
Umarani Pingali Vihaya. Umarani, you are self-muted.
Namaste.
Namaste. Vihaya Sagatirjyotihi.
Vihaya Sagatirjyotihi Surujirhuta Bhugvibuhu Ravirvirochana Suryaha Ravirvirochana Surya Savita Ravilochanaha.
Similarly, the first line also you can try. Vihaya Sagatirjyotis Surajhuta Bhugvibuhu.
Vihaya Sagitirjyotis Surachirhuta Bhugvibuhu Ravirvirochana Surya Savita Ravilochanaha.
Please continue. Ananto.
Ananto Huta Bhugbhokta Sukhado Naikadograjaha Anirvinnas Sada Marshi Lokadhisthanamadbhutaha.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Vihan. Sanatanatamah.
Ram sir.
Ram.
Sanatanatamah Kapila Swasti Dakshinaha.
Tamam. In the first line, you can join and say Sanatanatamah Kapila Kapiravyayah. Can you try?
Sanatanatamah Kapiravyayah.
Continue. Swastida.
Swasti Dakshinaha.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Vihan. Dhanyavadaha. Vijayalakshmi Parthasarathi. Araudraha.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. Araudrah Kundali Chakri.
Araudrah Kundali Chakri Vikram Yurjita Shasanaha Shabdatiga Shabdasahash Shishirash Sharvari Karaha Akrurah Peshalo Daksho Dakshinah Kshaminam Varaha Vidvattamo Vita Bhayahav Punyashravana Kirtanaha.
In the first line, don't give a gap bit after daksho. Akrurah peshalo daksho dakshinah kshaminam varaha dakshinah kshaminam varaha.
Shall I
Akrurah
try one?
peshalo daksho dakshinah kshaminam varaha.
Akrurah peshalo daksho dakshinah kshaminam varaha vidvattamo vitabhayav punyashravana kirtanaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Vikku. The name shows here is Vikku. Uttarano.
Hello, Ram sir.
Ram. Uttarano dushkritiha.
Uttarano dushkritiha punyo dushswapnanashanaha viraha rakshana santo jeevana parayavistitaha. Paryavastitaha.
Can you repeat the sloka again?
Uttarano dushkrita Uttarano dushkritiha punyo dushswapnanashanaha viraha rakshana santo jeevana parayavistitiha. Paryavastitiha.
Hitaha. You can practice little more. That will be. Dhanyavadaha. Vipin V. Vipin V. Anantarupo.
नमस्कार महोदय.
Namaskara. Anantarupo.
अनन्तरूपो नन्दश्रीजितमन्युर्भयापहः चतुरस्रो गभीरात्मा विदिशो व्यदिशो दिशः.
Vyadisho Dishaha.
चतुरस्रो गभीरात्मा विदिशो व्यादिशो दिशः.
Please continue. Anadirбhurбhuvo.
अनादिर्भूर्भुवो लक्ष्मी सुवीरो रुचिराङ्गतः जननो जनजन्मादिर्भीमो भीमपराक्रमः.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादः. यदुगिरि आधार. Yourself muted. Aadhar Anilayodhata.
Again, Swami.
Adiyan.
आधारनिलयो दाता पुष्पहास प्रजागरः ऊर्ध्वः षट्पदाचारः प्राणद प्रणवपनः.
Uttamam. Try joining the shloka and trying to tell the full line. Adharanila pushpahasah prajagarah urdhvagas satpatacharah pranadah pranavah panah. Try telling the full shloka, full line together.
आधारनिलयो दाता पुष्पहास प्रजागरः ऊर्ध्वः षट्पदाचार प्राणद प्रणवपनः.
Uttamam. Next shloka. Pramanam.
प्रमाणं प्राणनिलय प्राणतृत्प्राणजीवनः तत्त्वं तत्त्वविदेगात्मा जन्म मृत्युजरादिगः.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादः. जयन्ती लक्ष्मी भूर्भुवः. Jayanti Lakshmi, yourself muted.
Namaste.
Namaste. Bhurbhuvah.
Purvavah swasta rustara savita prapitamaha yajno yajnapatiriyajva yajnango yajnavahanaha.
Tamam. Only thing is in the first line prapitamaha. After her there is visarga also. Can you try once again? Bhurbhuvaswasta rustarah.
Purvavah swasta rustara savita prapitamaha.
You need not have to give a gap there. Bhurbhuvaswasta rustarah savita prapitamaha.
Purvavah swasta rustara savita prapitamaha.
Yajno. Continue. Yajno.
यज्ञो यज्ञपतिर्यज्वा यज्ञांगो यज्ञवाहनः.
Thank you. Dhanyavadah. Okay, I guess there are two more people. I guess I've given chance. I'll come back once again. Ansun. Yajnabhrit.
Namaskaram,
Yajnabhrit
sir.
Yajna. Namaskaram.
यज्ञप्रत यज्ञकृत यज्ञी यज्ञभुक् यज्ञसाधनः यज्ञान्दकृत् यज्ञगुह्यम् अन्नमन्नाद एव च.
Continue. Atmayonihi.
आत्मयोनिः स्वयं ज्योतो वैकानः सामकायनः देवकी नन्दनसृष्टा श्रीधीशपापनाशनः.
In the first line it is Atmayoni Swayan Jato. Jato. Sway. Atmayoni Swayan. Yes.
आत्मयोनिः स्वयं जातो वैकानः सामकायनः देवकी नन्दनसृष्टा श्रीधीशः पापनाशनः.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Okay. Mahesh Kumar, I guess I called your name. The last sloka I'm calling again. Atmayonihi. Ram Ram Ram.
Shankabrinanda.
Atmayoni Swayan Jat. Okay, that is over. Shankabrinandaki. Kshamyatam. शङ्खबृन्नन्दकी
शङ्खबृन्नन्दकी चक्री शार्ङ्गधन्वा गदाधरः रताङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्यः सर्वप्रहरणायुध ॐ नमः इति.
Dhanyavadah. I know there are some people who are raising hands now. I guess we are already on time, so we will end the shloka. We'll end with the shloka. Vanamali gadisharngi shankhi chakri chanamdaki Shriman Narayano Vishnur Vasudevo Bhirakshato Vanamali gadisharngi shankhi chakri chanamdaki Shriman Narayano Vishnur Vasudevo Bhirakshato Vanamali gadisharngi shankhi chakri chanamdaki Shriman Narayano Vishnur Vasudevo Bhirakshato Shri Vasudevo Bhirakshato Om Nama Iti. Dhanyavadah. Please continue chanting the Vishnu Sahasranama every day. All of us will see in the next class. Dhanyavadah. Ram Ram Ram.